Adv Mshololo.
As the court pleases, my lord, from my observations of the points that were indicated during the inspection in Ndoko are as follows, my lord. It's the point where accused number 1 was assaulted, allegedly, which is, my lord, depicted in photo number 15, 16, and especially photo number 27 of exhibit ZZ in brackets 2. Especially, my lord, photo number 27. 1516 depicts exactly the spot, which indicates that the place where accused number 1 was assaulted is a backyard of the Eguruleni municipality offices. During the inspection in Ndoko, my lord, we even went towards the other side of the offices, which was explained to be the main entrance, which is used by the employees of the Eguruleni municipality offices. What I also observed, my lord, is that the backyard of the Eguruleni municipality offices, where in accused number 1 alleges that he was assaulted, there is a small private road. I was trying to look at the key to the photo albums, my lord. I thought maybe a description of that small road will be given. That is the road in which there is an entrance that we use to enter into the Eguruleni municipalities, which shows that the road is at, the place is at the back, and the small road towards the entrance is the private and not public. The public road is on the other side, which is, according to the key to the photos, is explained as number G, road to enter Phosphorus Fire Brigade and EMPD precinct. I thought the name of this road, my lord, will be given in the keys to the photo album. But, my lord, if you look at photo number 29 and photo 30, that is where in these, especially photo number 30, these two roads are depicted. The main road towards the court and the police station, where the second part of the inspection in Ndoko took place. And this road towards the entrance of the EMPD offices is a private road compared to the main road that is leading to the Phosphorus municipality, to the Phosphorus magistrate court and police station, my lord. That was my observation.
Okay.
Then the court then moved to the second spot, my lord, which was recorded as the Phosphorus police station, and it's also Phosphorus court. It has got 2 buildings. What I observed, my lord, in that point is that where the state indicated the spot wherein accused number 1 was assaulted is at the back entrance of the police station, not in the main entrance of the police station. I also observed, my lord, that these are the 2 different places. Accused number 1 indicated the Egoruleni Metro Police offices as the place wherein he was assaulted, and the state indicated another spot, which is the vicinity of both Vosloorus Police Station and Vosloorus Magistrate Court, outside those 2 buildings, my lord. Those were my observations, my lord. Thank you.
Adv Mshololo bacela abameli benu ukuthi nabo bathi ukuphefumula kancane mhlawumbe bathi ukukhuluma phecelezi nodaba lolu ke mhlawumbe ke ehla kwethimba labashushisi kade libonile ke lapho ke wakukhuluma khona nje lapho umnumzana umnisi ukuthi yena ke uthize wona uyazi ukuthi washaya kanjani, kepha ke awabonile ukuthi washaya bobanike lapho ke. Futhi umnumzana uRamsipina wathi uhambisana nenkulumo le ade kukhulunywe lapho ke umnumzana Advocate Mshololo ke lapho ke ukuthi wona ke ngesikhathi boshaya lapho ke uyazi ukuthi washaya bobani futhi bakhahlela kanjani ngesikhathi boshaya lapho ke. Futhi umnumzana uNqomalo naye washo khona njalo naye uhambisana nale nkulumo le ekhulunyiwe abameli benu phecelezi nodaba abalibona ke lapho ke. Manje no Advocate Mshololo naye wakhuluma washo njalo ukuthi nodaba lolu alibonile lapho ke ngesikhathi esathi bekhona ke lapho ke kule inspection logo yakhona ke phecelezi nezithombe lezi malana nento ayibonayo yena kulokho kulandelayo ekhona ngaphakathi kwethombe ses50 futhi nes60 futhi nes27 athi izithombe lezi zicacepha futhi zisitshengisa kabanzi futhi ngogcweleke phecelezi nodaba lolu olwenzeka ke lapho ke nohlambana nenkulumo lezi noma malana nendawo lezi Adv Mshololo qale ukukhuluma ngazi ukuthi nawashayela kuzona ke. Futhi athi uma kubuka kwisithombe ses15 futhi nes16 ke ilesi ezisikhomba khona ke banala nendawo le Adv Mshololo qala athi washayela khona ke sithi kade kungemuva bathi ibackyard emahhovisi lapho ke ekuruleni municipal offices ke lapho ke. Futhi washo njalo ukuthi khona ke lapho khona ke indawo isango longena mhlawumbe umgwaqo bawusebenzisayo usuthi umgwaqo ke oprivate osetshenziswa mhlawumbe abasebenzi bamahhovisi lawo ke kuphela, akona kumgwaqo osetshenziswa ke nanoma kubani ke lapho ke. Futhi washo khona njalo ukuthi into ayibonile ukuthi emgwaqweni ke bayatsho ukuthi mhlawumbe izojengakala kabanzi kule ithombe lezi ezikhona la ngaphambi kwenkosenkantolo ke, kepha abasitshengisile zona ke lapho ke. Uma ekhuluma lapho ke ngama aerial point key ke lapho ke ama photo keys ke lapho ke athi lokho akubhaliwe ke lapho ke, kepha kwakhuluma khona njalo mayelana nodaba lolu ke lokuthi indawo lena ke suthi indawo ke evalekile, suthi indawo ke private ke lapho ke. Futhi suthi umgwaqo khona ke umgwaqo naye futhi osetshenziswa ke abasebenzi balapha ke, suthi umgwaqo la kade khona Mshololo qala wakakhuluma ngawo ke. Futhi athi bese ngemuva kwalokho kubahamba ke baya ke lapho ke kwindawo yesibili. Uma befika kwindawo yesibili ke le nkosenkantolo afika kuyona ke lapho ke bathi inkulumo yale ndawo ke ezimbili ukuthi akuyona ke inkulumo leona ke ukhulumile ke lapho ke kepha ke team labashushisi lona ke mhlawumbe ihlangothi labashushisi naliqhamuke nenkulumo yakhe enenkulumo eyahlukile kule nkulumo naMshololo qala wakhuluma ngayo phecelezi nodaba lolu lokushaya kwakho ukuthi washaya kwendawo enjani ke lapho ke.